Alright. Since I had nothing set up for the egg wash, I went in. It's just one egg and a little bit of water, splash of water. I usually use butter instead of an egg wash, but the old Italian lady I watched doing this did it this way, so I'm gonna try it this way. Let's see what the results bring. You can do this in advance in the morning, but I usually do it right before I start making the spaghetti. Alright, so there's the egg wash on. Covered with some saran wrap. The pan was oiled. Now I'll put it in the oven to preheat. And since I got a little bit of dough left, I'm going to make a small pizza. Or something, I don't know. Or do you want cinnamon rolls or something?
Like cinnamon rolls.
Alright, change plans, making cinnamon rolls. Would you mind getting me a pan?
What's that pan?
For cinnamon rolls.
But I mean, glass pan?
It don't matter. Glass, metal, whatever we got in. Because it ain't very much.
Oh. Well, I don't know. I couldn't figure out what day it was. Because, well, the mailman came this morning. Yeah.
Alright, so since we're going to wind up making cinnamon rolls here, and I wasn't even remotely set up for cinnamon rolls, here we go. Spur of the moment cinnamon rolls. Hey Mom, would you mind putting me some oil or butter or something on that pan?
I know.
Alright, so now you just put a bunch of cinnamon. And whatever sugar floats your boat. White, brown, natural, processed. It all works out the same. It melts in the oven.
They got fudge in the chocolate fudge.
Since I've got some organic raw cane sugar
Fudge.
that needs used up, I'll use some of it.
I know. You should call in and see if you got any. Well, that's what I'm saying. She probably got 4 or 5 boxes up there.
And of course, Mom's gonna drown out any instruction I'm giving, so. If you can't see
Ask
me
for
doing
my
it,
help and then complain.
well, you're talking right into the camera half the time. And,
He's complaining to me.
well, I was trying to show people how to make cinnamon rolls on the fly, but I don't know how it's going to work. Hopefully they can at least see what I'm doing. And now Cass knows I'm making cinnamon rolls. She'll be down here to fight over the 4 cinnamon rolls. Alright, now comes the roll up. On the end pieces, usually doesn't hurt to add more cinnamon and sugar. Usually I have bigger cinnamon rolls, but considering how little dough I had and wasn't really planning on making cinnamon rolls, but this is what we got. Separate that out a little more. Alright, so on those 2 end pieces, it's always better to add a little extra cinnamon and sugar, because you don't really know how much cinnamon or sugar is in there. And has anybody ever complained about cinnamon rolls having too much cinnamon and sugar? I don't think so, but alright, there's our spur of the moment cinnamon rolls. It's going to be a weird combination with spaghetti, but that's what we're doing. And we'll be back when the rolls rise. Alright, so here after about 3/4 of an hour is how big the cinnamon rolls are already. And those will be dessert, I believe. And here's the what are going to wind up being hoagie buns. They were going to be garlic bread, but we decided to have meatball sandwiches instead. But as you can tell, they're after 3/4 of an hour, they're pretty much ready to bake. And I'll come back when they're baked. Well, they turned out ugly as heck, but oh my god, are they good. Matter of fact, I started eating them before I remembered I was supposed to be taking video of them. That's just cream cheese and butter frosting on top of them. But they're awesome. Couldn't even wait to take a picture. Started eating. Now I'll say it again.
Now it's my turn to eat them.
You don't have to put the... I just had that on it because it was sitting out on the stove. But if you're not going to put them away and leave them here for me to pick at. Alright, here come the rolls out, even though they turned out to be loaves of bread. I'm going to work around that. But the basic principles sound. I just need to work on my spacing. And which it would have been still been good for garlic bread, but now we're having meatball sandwiches. So I'll post a picture of them and see you then. Here's before the oven. My hoagie rolls were turned into loaves of bread. They rose too much, but they ought to be really good. I'll snap a pic when they come out of the oven. And there's what they look like coming out of the oven. Modified meatball hoagies and pizza bread and